Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today is day 5 of the How to Create a Workout Plan video series for beginners. In today's workout, we're going to be working chest, shoulders, and triceps for our final workout in this workout plan. Now, if you're not familiar with this series or my videos, go ahead and click the link, follow this series from the beginning, because in this series, I show you how to create a workout plan and follow through with that workout plan step by step. Now, a lot of people are watching these videos and they're not getting a whole lot out of it because it's not giving them a call to action. And this is my call to action to you: follow the plan. Create your own plan, write in some of your own exercises, and start working on your fitness. Look, people, I don't do this for fun, I do it for a living. And I'm doing this not for myself, I'm already in shape, but I'm doing this for those who don't have access to this kind of information and that need that push, that need that accountability, that need someone to show them how to go through this step by step. This is your call to action. This is for you. So let's get right into it. Today's workout, we are going to be doing push-ups, high-low planks, dumbbell bench press, dips, and dumbbell front raises. This exercise is going to attack the chest, the shoulders, and the triceps. So let's get moving. In this exercise, we're going to start off with push-ups. Push-ups is definitely one of the top fundamental exercises that you can do for the upper body. We're starting off here, arms just outside of shoulder width, hands right under shoulders, feet hip width, and coming all the way down, arms at 90 degrees. Now, this is how you start off. If you can't do these, go ahead and just drop the knees down and continue to work. This next exercise, high-low planks. Now, most people don't do this exercise or have never done this exercise. It's great for the core, it's great for the triceps, and it's great for the chest. You're gonna be in that push-up position and you're just gonna drop down one elbow at a time and press up one arm at a time. Now, when you're pressing up, you wanna make sure your hand and your elbow land in the same spot as you're going down and up. You wanna constantly press right under that shoulder so that you're not putting any extra stress on the shoulder joint. Moving into the next exercise, dumbbell bench press. One of my favorite chest exercises. I don't do a whole lot of chest, but when I do the dumbbell bench press. With this one, you're basically doing the same arm position as your push-ups. However, as you push the weight up, you're going to bring the arms a little bit closer because that really helps you engage the chest more. Now here I have my back arched and I have my shoulder blades pulled together so that I can get my chest lifted up This next exercise is dips. Dips is a great, again, another fundamental exercise that you can do anywhere. Here I am dipping down, arms just about 90 degrees. Legs aren't exactly straight, just slightly bent, and I'm leaning back slightly just so I can get a little bit more tension on those triceps. This next exercise is the dumbbell front raises. This is the last one of this circuit of exercises. Now, for beginners, your shoulders might be a little worn out after the push-ups and the dips and the high-low planks, but I recommend you doing these and just work the muscles as much as you can. If this one is too challenging, move into some lateral raises or even some overhead press. But I think this is a good combination. The shoulders will get some really good work in, and all you're gonna do is bring those arms up or those hands up right up to the shoulder height. And you wanna extend that elbow just slightly. Try not to extend it all the way. Wow, you made it. You made it all the way to the end of this series, and I just want to thank you for following this entire series and committing to your own goals, because that can be a challenge sometimes, especially when you don't have all the tools and equipment and understanding that's necessary in order to follow through. But you did it. So continue to follow this program, continue to follow my channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I have more great content coming your way that's going to help you continue this journey. This is not it for you, and I want you to continue to fight for your fitness and fight for your greater wellness. And until next time, let's keep moving.